Hello and welcome to this video on how to install the Natural Language Processing Toolkit. We're going to be using this Python toolkit in order to learn natural language processing. So first, let's go to the NLTK.org. This gives us plenty of information and background on the NLTK platform, but let's get it installed first. So I'm going to be using pip. And we need to know where pip is installed on our computer. By default, I installed Python to app data's directory. So I go to my username and then type in app data, and I'm going to search within this folder pip. So the point is to find the directory here, and we're going to feed that into our command line and then execute pip. So here I'll go to the command prompt. Okay. So you want to type in cd to get the right directory, and then right click, enter. So now we're access to, or you will be access to wherever your directory is. In my case, it's app data, local programs, Python, and so on. So then we want to go install pip, or I'm sorry, pip install NLTK for Natural Language Toolkit. Go ahead and hit enter. It takes a few moments. Okay, now that we've downloaded NLTK, let's verify we downloaded it, and then we're going to do one more additional step in order to load some supporting files. So I'm going to be using idle. I'll go import NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. Okay. The next step here is to type NLTK.download. And this pops up a GUI. Here you can see you can download different isolated packages. Corpa, which is a collection of writings. An example text which we'll use. You got models, and you have all the packages. I'm going to just go ahead and download everything. And this will take a little bit of time, but go ahead and download it. We've made some good progress here today. We downloaded NLTK with pip, and then used the NLTK GUI in order to install supporting files. Let's go ahead and verify that this has been executed properly. Go ahead and open idle again, and we'll go from NLTK.book import all or star. And once we've done this, we'll get a printout that tells us what we actually downloaded. So NLTK contains sample text books that we can use to get started. There's a wide variety of content that gives us a lot of different language styles. Because one thing we need to know is, well, what kind of language are we analyzing? Is it common speech? Is it biblical text? Is it financial articles or business articles, all these will have certain styles of language. And this container of styles of language can be referred to as corpuses. So here we have plenty to go through. You can imagine, for example, text. Where is it here? Chat corpus, which is the instant messenger chat, is very informal and it's going to have a lot of abbreviations. It's going to be very much different than the inaugural address corpus, which is presidential speeches. We even have the Bible. We have Wall Street Journal articles here, and we have many other examples. So this gives us access to all sorts of language, which we can go ahead and process and find meaning from, or similes in order to understand language that we might not be familiar with. There's a lot of different applications. Thank you for watching this video, and this is just the beginning. Getting this program installed opens us up to be able to use natural language processing tools, NLTK toolkit, in order to process language and understand it better. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for more content.